Namaste Shri Bhagavan. Everyone can see you now.
Namaste. Love you all. After today's meditation, we would again meet on the Skype in the month of September. However, we would meet in the sacred space. After today, you could create your own sacred space in your homes. You could meditate there anytime you like. All that you must do is, you must have the padukas in the room, knowing that it signifies the feet of your God. And from your heart, you must invoke the presence of the God that you worship. You have to maintain utmost sacredness. If there is no sacredness, the presence might not come, or you might not be able to sense it. Soaking in sacred space is the easiest way to get close to God. First, you would enter the realm of your God. Next, you get closer to your God. And finally, you become one with your God. Being in the presence of your God is the easiest way to become awakened. Meditating in sacred space, in your very homes, anytime you like, is for your own growth. But for global transformation, you must meditate collectively. Therefore, we suggest that people living in a particular time zone could either select sunrise time or midday or sunrise or midnight for this collective meditation. This collective meditation would bring about global transformation. This collective meditation could be done from your very homes. You may either gather in groups or you could do it from your very home, but at the same time. So let me repeat, for global transformation, all of you will meditate at the same time, depending on your time zone. It could be sunrise time, midday, sunset, or midnight. For individual growth, you could meditate any time in your homes. All that you must do is darken the space, keep it as silent as possible, heat the padukas there, and have a great sense of sacredness, and in your hearts invoke the presence of the God that you worship. You could also invite your relatives and friends to meditate along with you if they are interested, if they are seekers, and if they have a sense of sacredness. The most important thing to bear in mind is that the universe is alive, is conscious, and is aware of all that is going on. In the initial stages, you would realize that you are in the presence of your God. In the next phase, you would realize you are getting closer to your God. Remember, God is one, but He is going to take the form or the presence that you have been seeking. And in the third phase, you become one with your God. In older times, mystics and sages and saints could do all this. But now, all of us could do this. And as you immerse in the presence, all processes based on the teachings would start happening automatically. And awakening would be child's play. all that we are talking is already happening in India, and we expect it to happen very, very soon outside India. So let us do it very intensively in the month of August. You could do it as many times as you want, any time you like, any duration. It all depends on you. In your own homes, you could do this. The whole process should become easier by the day. So after 1 minute's eye diksha, we shall move into meditation. Love you all.